Car refreshers. Long-lasting fragrance. Ceeniu solar energy rotating light sensing car air fresheners, luxury car fragrance. Car decorations, relieve stress and keep alert. Ceeniu car aromatherapy uses the name of the French Robertet company's luxury brand Aromatherapy, equipped with Cologne aroma and Ocean aroma, two kinds of fragrance. The fragrance is fresh and natural, not pungent. The surface of the aromatherapy ring is designed with grooves. You can drop in any essential oil you like, debugging different scents to maintain a different feeling every day. Timeage car air purifier plasma ionizer, smoke odor eliminator, helps remove smoke, pet odors, dust, PM 2.5 etc. USB plug-in ionizer air purifier for home, bedroom, office, and desktop. Desk air purifier. The true medical-grade ionizer air purifier, which releases more than 120 million plasmas. The positive and negative ions produced by the ionizer are refused. QBUC car air freshener solar energy rotating Cologne car aromatherapy diffuser interior decoration accessories diffuser for car 2C red. Metal enclosure with solar technology. QBUC car fragrance diffuser made of zinc alloy with solar fan blade, robust and easy to install. Package includes 1 * solar aromatherapy diffuser for car, 1 * aromatherapy ring. QuBaID car air freshener solar energy rotating ocean car aromatherapy diffuser interior decoration accessories for car, dazzle color. The car aromatherapy you need for your car. QuBaID zinc alloy car aromatherapy is different from the traditional vehicle mounted perfume or liquid perfume. Helicopter solar car air freshener rotation zinc alloy car perfume diffuser ornament for vehicles with 3 fragrance tablets silver. Fragrance diffuser made of aluminum alloy and beechwood with solar fan blade, robust and easy to install. Wrapped gift 1x helicopter ornament / non-slip pad / 3x fragrance tablets. Sparkles helicopter car vent. Interesting solar fan blades rotate automatically under the sunshine to accelerate the diffusion of the aroma. Multiple diffuser blades rotating together under the sunshine.